Now 13th one. Find the equation of right bisector of the line segment joining the points 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. So 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. 2 points on the line. So find the equation of right bisector. Right bisector means perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. So AB. Be the line segment joining 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. So we have to find the equation of right bisector, perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of AB means that passes through midpoint of AB. Passes through midpoint of AB and perpendicular to AB. That is called perpendicular bisector. So let CD be the perpendicular bisector of AB. So first this O will be the midpoint of AB. So we have to find the equation of CD. So to find the equation of CD, first we can find the slope of AB. So using that we can find the slope of CD. So we got slope of CD. Then one point O we can find using midpoint formula. So after that we can find equation of CD using point slope form. So first we can find equation. First to find slope of AB equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus 4 divided by minus 1 minus 3. y2 minus y1. 2 minus 4 minus 2. x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 3. So that is minus 2 divided by minus 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Minus 2 by minus 4 1 by 2. So that is the slope of AB. So we can find the slope of CD. Therefore, slope of CD equal to minus 1 by 1 by 2. If M1 in the perpendicular, M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. Slope of AB 1 by 2. Therefore, slope of CD minus 1 by 1 by 2. That is minus 2. So we got slope of CD. Now we want one point on CD. For that we can find midpoint. So midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB equal to, we can use the formula x1 plus x2 by 2. That is O. Midpoint is O. That is x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. 3 plus minus 1 by 2. 3 plus minus 1 by 2. y2 plus y1. y1 plus y2. 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2 by 2. That is 6 by 2. That is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 2, 1. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 2, 3. So 1, 3. So midpoint is 1, 3. Then, so a point O, that is 1, 3. So we got one point on CD and slope of CD. So we can find equation of CD. Therefore, point 1, 3 and slope minus 2. So we can use the formula. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore, y minus y1 point on CD, that is 1, 3. Y minus y1, that is y minus 3 equal to slope of CD minus 2. Minus 2 into x minus x1, 1. Now simplifying that, we will get the equation. So y minus 3 equal to minus 2x plus 2. So minus 2x we can take this side. 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So minus 2x become plus 2x. Then plus y minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 equal to 0. So that is the equation of the right bisector of line segment joining this and this. So we got right equation of perpendicular bisector. That is 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. The 14th, find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from minus 1, 3 to the line. So from the foot of the perpendicular, so from the point minus 1, 3. So let this point be minus 1, 3. We have to find the foot of the perpendicular, coordinates of foot of the perpendicular from minus 1, 3. So C is the point minus 1, 3. Then foot of the perpendicular from minus 1, 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. So this is the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. We have to find the foot of the perpendicular from minus 1, 3 to the line. So that means if you this CD, suppose CD is perpendicular, suppose name this line as AB and CD be the perpendicular from C to AB. Then D is the foot of the perpendicular. So we want to find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. So for that, first we have to find equation of CD. Then equation of AB already given. So solving these two, that means this coordinates of D is the point of intersection of AB and CD. So to get the point of intersection of AB and CD, we have to solve the equation of AB and equation of CD. So first we will find the equation of CD. So for that, first to find the slope of AB. Slope of AB, line AB minus A by B, minus 3 by minus 4, that is 3 by 4. So that is slope of AB. Now using that we want to find slope of CD. So slope of CD equal to minus 1 by 3 by 4. That is equal to minus 4 by 3. So slope of CD is minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Now we got slope of CD and one point on CD minus 1, 3. So point is slope 4. So equation of CD. Equation of CD. Y minus Y1. Y1 is, this is the point x1, Y1 on the line CD. So Y1 means 3. Y minus 3 equal to slope of CD minus 4 by 3 into x minus x1. X coordinate x minus minus 1. So 3 cross multiply this side. 3y minus 9 equal to minus 4x. Minus into minus plus. Minus 4 into x minus 4x. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4. Now 4x take this side. 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y minus 9 plus 4 equal to 0. That is 4x plus 3y. That is 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So that is the equation of CD. So we got equation of AB and equation of CD. Now solving these two equations, we get the foot of the perpendicular. So we have to solve these two equations. Now equation of AB. Equation of AB is 3x minus 4y equal to 16. Then equation of CD. Equation of CD, 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y equal to 5. Then we can solve these equations. So solving these equations, we can see here, this is equation 2. Now we can make this term same. So equation 1 into, by elimination method we can solve. Any method we can use. So equation 1 into 3. Equation 1 into 3. That is 9x plus 9x minus 12y equal to 40. Now equation 2 into 4. That is 16x plus 12y equal to 20. Name that 3 and 4. Now we can adding this 25x. Equation 3 plus equation 4. 25x plus 0 equal to 68. Therefore x equal to 68 by 25. Now substitute in any one equation and we can find the y coordinate. So substituting in 2. Substitute in 2. We get x. So 4 into 68 by 25 plus 3y equal to 5. So substitute in that in 5. So 68 by 25. 68 by 25. So we get here equal to 272 minus 125. 147. 147 minus 147 by 25. So y equal to minus 147 by 25 into 1 by 3. That is minus minus 49 by 25. So foot of the perpendicular is x coordinate, we got 68 by 25. This is minus 49 by 27. So what is the foot of the perpendicular? Foot of the perpendicular is 68 by 25 comma minus 49 by 25. So that is the foot of the perpendicular D. D is the foot of the perpendicular. Okay.